The horn blared from this minivan and its airbags were inflated after it slid off a greasy street in Weymouth and slammed into a tree.
Pretty good jolt, but we both had our seatbelts on, so we're good.
Eric Swan says he and his teenage son were on their way to return skis they'd rented yesterday for a day on the slopes.
Do you enjoy both the positive and the negative of winter?
That's a great way to put it, yeah.
The first of 2 weekend storms dumped 3 to 4 inches across much of southeastern Massachusetts, and it was a heavy, wet, slushy snow, the kind that clogs Ken Philibrown's snowblower.
Take this thing here, stick it in the hole, and get the slush out.
Snowblower has a harder time with this kind of snow?
Oh yeah, gotta go slow so you don't break anything.
Plow trucks have been loading up with sand and salt as the Weymouth Public Works Department fights against the storm.
Right now we seem to be keeping up. The mains are black and sides are being opened up.
This is the 8th plowable snow so far this winter in Weymouth. Most years by early March, the plows have been out twice as much. Still, no one is ready to classify this as a light winter. Not yet.
Absolutely, some people think that come March, winter's over, and sometimes March it comes in with vengeance.
Seems we learn that lesson every year. The good news is if you've been itching to make a snowman or a snowball, this is ideal packing snow. Makes a nice ball there. And about this time tomorrow, schools will happen to be making the tough decision about whether to cancel classes on Monday.